Alright, so today is the maiden voyage of the brand new Bixpy K1 with the 768 battery. It looks absolutely awesome, and I can't wait to try it. Got it on the Hobie Mirage Pro Angler 14, and I will see you on the water. Okay, so let's see how it works. All right, we're moving. Oh, just locked into place. Beautiful. Oh, this is nice. Awesome. Turns nice. What we got here on the screen? 3.5 knots. All right, full speed. 3.8. I got 3.8. That's no tide. Tide's dead right now. All right. Awesome. All right, time to fish. So 3.8, not bad. I am fully loaded. I got ice up front, all my gear. So I'm happy with that. And from the videos I watched, about 4 knots is like the max. And that is plenty. Absolutely plenty. What I love about this Bixpy is I can still use my feet, still use the foot pedals. And I don't have to change it out or anything. I can use both at the same time, which is beautiful, because the foot pedals just give me more control. You know, the trolling motor is more for distance. Okay, so at half speed, speed 6, I am doing 2 knots. That's against the tide. The tide's already starting to move out. Not much, I mean barely. But 2 knots ain't bad. Half speed. I'm just cruising. Let's head out to the channel. You really notice it pick up after 6. Like each hit of the button, you really notice it. Oh, bring my bait out of the water. Might go a little faster. There we go. Alright, let's do a test with my feet. Now whatever, I lost count of the numbers, but I was doing 3 knots just with the motor, and just kicking my feet normal, I'm at 3.9. That's just a normal little light pedal. I feel resistance though, I guess because I'm moving so fast. That's awesome. So I'm doing 3.9 and just pedaling a little bit. Let's kick her up. Alright. That should be speed 13. Against the tide, I'm going 3 point... What is that? It's moving around a little bit, but... Alright, 3.5 with against the tide. Now the tide will get rougher and I'll test it later. But let's pedal up a little bit. Just a normal little cruise pedal. I'm at 4. I'm at 4, just like that. That's awesome. Absolutely awesome. This works nice. I mean, that's as fast as I need to go, to be honest with you. And that's against the tide. I'm doing 4 on the dot, and I'm just barely pedaling. But the tide has turned, and this is why I bought it, so that I could get against the tide, get where I need to go. On days that, you know, normally I just play the tide. Tide takes me out where I want to go, tide brings me back. But then I fight it all day long, doing drifts and all. But this motor's really going to help out. That's awesome. Quiet. Beautiful. If I stop pedaling, we are going 3.7, 3.6. Alright, she stopped at 3.5. Alright, so just a light pedal brings me up a half a knot. There we go. That's awesome. Absolutely awesome. It's going to be a beautiful day. Alright, I'll get back to you when we get a fish. Alright, we got a nice fish. Look at the keeper. Feels like a good one. Oh yeah. I think he'll keep. Maybe. He's 18 something. We'll see. Put a measure on him. It's gonna be close. Gonna be close. Come on, you. Slow down. Gonna be close. Let's see what we got. He is... Ooh, he's just shy. I mean, just shy. Not worth it. I'll throw you in if you don't. There's a fish. Got him. Don't feel like no keeper. Yeah, good. I think we got a keeper here. Oh yeah. Gotta tell you, I love this kayak motor. This Bixpy is awesome. Absolutely awesome. Makes it so much easier to fight this tide. Yeah, that's the problem with saltwater. You know, you gotta fight the tides. So I always just played the tide. You know, the incoming takes me where I want to go, outgoing brings me home. But now with this, I don't have to fight no more. It's awesome. Absolutely awesome. Calling it a day? I'm gonna drift my way back. I'm gonna drift my way back. I'm still picking up shorts. That's them blues. Have a good one. Caught a lot of, oh yeah, feels heavy. Caught a lot of fish today. Be my first keeper. And there he is. Think he'll keep? Oh yeah. Oh, don't get off. There you go. Got him. Alright. That's gonna keep. Put a measure on him. I think he'll make it. Alright. I've been searching all day. Let's put a measure on him. Let's see what he's doing. Alright, he is. Turn him this way, close the mouth. Make sure we're good. Oh man, he is just shy. Are you kidding me? He is just shy. If you open his mouth, he makes it, but no, we're not going to play that game. We're not playing that game. See ya. Alright, another fish on. Might be a keeper. Might get lucky. Get one today. No way. Ain't gonna happen. Alright. I think finally we have a keeper. Been all day. Caught a lot of fish. Come on. Come on. Bring one for dinner. Hell yeah. Come here. There you go. There you go. There's one. As soon as I change out that green, put the white, bam. Yeah, they weren't wanting that green today. Measure on him. He is not going to oh, I don't know. Let's get the net off him. He's close. He's real close. Get his mouth on the end. Close that mouth. There we go. Close that mouth. He is makes it. He makes it. I mean, just. But he makes it. Yep, he makes it. So I'm done fishing. I got one keeper today. Not bad, got dinner. But the big thing today was the trolling motor. And I got to tell you, I love it. It was awesome. I used it all day. I fished all day. I fished the end of the incoming, all of the outgoing, and almost half of the incoming again. I've been fishing all day. And I used half a battery. That's beautiful. It's going to work great. I fought the tide all day. It was awesome. Absolutely awesome. All right, I'll get back to you. So the Bixpy K1 with the 768 battery was a complete success. Complete success. I was thrilled with it. Now it's no speed demon, but you know what? 3.5, 4 knots. I'm happy with that. Absolutely thrilled with that. I think it worked awesome. Yep, and I was still able to use my foot pedals, which is great. And just adding that with the motor, it's kind of like my electric bike, you know, with the pedal assist. You know, it's actually really nice. I enjoyed pedaling with the motor on better. Kind of like I said, like my electric bike with pedal assist. All right, awesome. Hope you enjoy. Have a good one.